critical switch. Its RPC server is now live. But here's the real question. Is this the breakthrough developers needed, or just another technical milestone that changes nothing? 2. Context. Ground reality check. Before celebrating, understand where Pi actually stands today. Still not fully open, still limited liquidity, still heavy speculation. So where does an RPC server realistically fit into this? 3. What is an RPC server? Simplified, no fluff. An RPC, remote procedure call server, allows apps to communicate directly with the blockchain, reading data, sending transactions, and interacting with smart contracts without running a full node. Why this matters, but don't oversell. This is important because it lowers the barrier for developers. No more complex setups, just connect and build. But tools alone don't create ecosystems. Usage does. 5. Key features breakdown. Translate to impact. Seamless RPC connections, faster onboarding for devs, real-time blockchain data, live app functionality, no gas fees, read-only. Easier testing, state-changing transactions, actual utility, easy integrations, back-end plus mobile apps possible. Each feature sounds good, but only matters if developers actually show up. 6. Developer perspective, critical thinking. Ask yourself, why would a serious Web3 developer choose Pi over ecosystems like Ethereum or Solana Speed? Users, incentives, or just hype? 7. Ecosystem impact, best case versus reality. Best case, explosion of dApps, real services, payments, DeFi marketplaces, stronger ecosystem. Reality risk, few low-quality apps, limited adoption, developers waiting for open mainnet clarity. 8. What it means for pioneers, no illusions. Yes, more tools can mean more utility, but utility does not automatically equal value. Value comes from demand, real usage, and external market trust, not announcements. 9. Strategic insight, where this is actually going. This move suggests Pi is preparing infrastructure before opening fully. That's smart, but timing is everything. If adoption doesn't follow, infrastructure becomes dead weight. Closing, challenge the viewer. So don't just celebrate this update. Watch what happens next. Are developers building? Are users engaging? Are real problems being solved? Because in Web3, technology is easy to announce. I have no idea what this really means. This could be the moment Pi becomes a real Web3 ecosystem, or proof that it's still not ready. 2. The problem. Create tension. For years, Pi Network has faced one big criticism. There's no real utility, no real apps, just hype, no ecosystem. So the real question is, does this update actually solve that? 3. What just happened? Clear explanation. Pi testnet RPC server is now live. This means developers can now connect directly to Pi's blockchain, read data, send transactions, build and test smart contract-based apps. 4. Break it down, make it simple. Think of RPC like a bridge. Without it, developers are locked out. With it, they can finally interact with the blockchain without running complex infrastructure. 5. Why this is a big deal, but stay sharp. This is the first time Pi is giving developers real access tools, faster dApp development, real-time blockchain interaction, easier integration with apps. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Tools don't guarantee adoption. 6. Features, real impact. Let's decode the hype. Seamless RPC, faster onboarding, real-time data, live apps possible, no gas read-only, easier testing, transactions enabled, real use cases. Sounds powerful, but power means nothing without users. And 7. Competition reality check. Developers today already have options like Ethereum, Solana. So ask yourself, why would they choose Pi? 8. Best case is worst case. Best case, dApps explode, real services emerge, Pi gains real utility. Worst case, few low-quality apps, no real adoption, ecosystem stays empty. Now, Chesn 9, what this means for you, pioneers. If you're holding Pi, don't celebrate too early. More tools, more value, more apps, real demand. Value only comes when people actually use the network. 10. Powerful closing drives engagement. This update is not the finish line, it's a test. Watch closely. Are developers building? Are users coming? Is Pi solving real problems? Because in crypto, the difference between hype and reality is execution.